Built on the banks of the river Brahmaputra, IIT Guwahati is a particularly beautiful campus. It is also the host of the 49th Inter-IIT Sports Championships, whose first day flagged off today with a march past competition. Kshitij Jain, a fourth-year chemical engineering undergraduate student, commanded the IIT Bombay contingent this year. He is also the contingent leader for IIT Bombay this year. IIT Bombay stood second amongst the 15 IITs in the march past competition today. Olympic bronze medal winning boxer MC Mary Kom was the chief guest for the occasion, who fired up all the teams present there. She provided particular courage to the girls in the contingent by regaling them with her own childhood stories of the hardships she faced and how she overcame them. The event ended with folk dances and martial arts exhibitions by the host state of Assam. While IIT Bombay comfortably won last year's championships at Roorkee, thus being the defending champions here, the road nevertheless is extremely tough for them.
Hi, IIT Guwahati here is a very beautiful campus situated on the banks of the Brahmaputra, and here it is the end of day one of the Inter-IIT Sports Meet. We just heard around a few minutes ago that IIT Bombay has stood second in the March Past competition, with IIT Guwahati coming first. With this, the Inter-IIT Sports Meet flags off in complete earnest. Joining us today, we have Rishikesh Kulkarni, the Institute Basketball Secretary, and Kshitij Sankhe, the Institute Table Tennis Secretary. The first thing we all want to know is, how do you rate IIT Bombay's campaign prospects in this year's competition? Rishikesh.
Yeah, so the biggest challenge out here is covering up the lead which IIT Madras has taken in the Aquatics Inter-IIT. They are already leading us by 14 points, and covering up a lead of 14 points means at least 4 golds in 4 different sports. Every gold gives us 10 points. Athletics gold, by the way, gives us 20 points, so that is a really big factor. The next big challenge are the facilities which are really upcoming, IIT Guwahati being a developing IIT.
We actually did some calculations last night about where do we stand and how do we ensure that we win the gold again and become as we are the defending champions, we retain the trophy. So yeah, we did some calculations. In table tennis we won the gold last year. This time also we're expected to win the gold, and our team is pretty much the same. So I think we'll be able to be the defending champions. Apart from that, in lawn tennis as well, yeah, we were the champions last year. This year also we are expecting a gold. The main focus is the athletics GC. So every other GC has only 10 points for the first place, but athletics GC has 20 points for the first place. So that is like a big game changer.
So while we're being cautiously optimistic, how do you rate the basketball campaign this year?
The biggest challenge in front of us is Kharagpur and Roorkee. The Madras team in which we are competing against in the overall GC is not a big thing, but yes, winning gold is a big factor, and the team is largely a freshy team. Last year 50% of the team passed out, and me and the recent captain have been working throughout the year on scouting players and training new players, and we are really optimistic, yes, we will win gold this time.
What are the challenges you have to face?
So yeah, the table tennis hall is pretty much different from what we have in IIT Bombay. Our room is pretty much closed. Here the one good thing is it's like an open badminton court, so we have a lot of space above it as well. So considering all the factors, I think the game will be a bit slower than what we have in Bombay. But yeah, still we got adjusted. We practiced yesterday. Today also we are going to practice a lot. So let's see. We are optimistic. Like we are the defending champions, and we are pretty confident that we can do it again.
So thank you, Kshitij and Rishikesh. Let's hope for the best. Let's just hope that Mr. Lower brings the trophy back to Bombay again. Thank you.